Hello, welcome to the championship match of Whiz Kids. Whiz Kids is a quick recall academic competition for 4th and 5th grade students from area schools. My name is Dave Duda and I will be your moderator. Even though the teams are familiar with the rules, I would like to state that although Whiz Kids is similar to Governor's Cup, it is a Hardin County Schools competition. Today's contestants are from Morningside and New Highland Elementaries. Now let's meet the team members and coach from Morningside.
Madden Fisher is a fifth grader who enjoys spaghetti. In his free time, he likes to play football and video games. Anai Morton is a fifth grader that one day wants to be an astronaut. She enjoys science and reading. Will Bennett is a fifth grader that enjoys spending time with his family and reading. Keaton Sims wants to be a librarian one day. He is in the 5th grade and enjoys math and playing soccer. We are coached by Mr. Henson. He enjoys being outside and spending time with family.
We will now meet the team and coach from New Highland.
Altiana Wallace is a 5th grader at New Highland Elementary School. Her favorite subject is reading. She really likes writing. She prefers to go by her nickname, Titi. Joey Malesko is a 5th grader at New Highland Elementary School. His favorite subject is math. He likes to play basketball, and he has 2 older sisters. Lucas Brackett is a 5th grader at New Highland Elementary School. His favorite subject is reading. He is part of the Flames travel soccer team. In addition, he likes to play baseball. Ariana Malhotra is a 5th grader at New Highland Elementary School. Her favorite subject is reading. She likes to play basketball. In addition, she really likes going shopping with her mom. Erin Gibson is a 5th grade social studies and science teacher at New Highland Elementary. This is her first year teaching. She went to Western Kentucky University. She also has 5 nieces and nephews.
Coaches, you may return to your seats at this time. Teams, are you ready?
Absolutely. Yes.
Contestants, remember you may interrupt the reading of a toss-up question by buzzing in. However, if your answer is incorrect, the question will be reread in its entirety for the opposing team. Remember, the bounce back bonus will be in effect. All questions are worth 1 point, and each half is 10 minutes long. The first question is a toss-up for either team. According to the nursery rhyme, what boy who should be looking after the sheep is under the haystack fast asleep?
Morningside Bennett.
Jack.
Incorrect.
New Highland Malhotra.
There's Shepherd Boy.
Incorrect. Little Boy Blue. 2, toss-up. Round 5.0377 to the nearest hundredth.
Morningside Morton.
5.04.
Correct. 3, bonus. What do statisticians call the number of people inhabiting any given country?
I designate Keaton. Population.
Correct. 4, toss-up. What in Wyoming erupts an average of every 64.5 minutes?
Morningside Bennett.
A geyser.
Incorrect.
New Highland Brackett.
The super volcano.
Incorrect. Old Faithful. 5, toss-up. What is the colored powder that gives paint its color called?
Morningside Bennett.
Pigment.
Correct. 6, bonus. What position on a football team is an anagram for either bark racket or barter quack?
Quarterback.
Correct. 7, toss-up. Convert 16% to a common fraction reduced to lowest terms. Time, 4/25. 8, toss-up. The phrase Great Divide indicates what mountain range?
Morningside Fisher,
Appalachian Mountains.
Incorrect.
New Highland Brackett.
The Alps.
Incorrect. The Rocky Mountains. 9, toss-up. Matter may exist as a gas or in what other 2 states?
Morningside Bennett,
Liquid or solid?
Correct. 10, bonus. What is the planning, building, and creating of structures called?
I designate an eye.
Construction.
Incorrect. Captain?
Blueprint.
Incorrect. Architecture. 11, toss-up. What, according to the poem by Shel Silverstein, are you supposed to do if you are a dreamer, a wisher, a liar, a hoper, a prayer, a pretender, or a magic bean buyer? Time. Come in. 12, toss-up. Divide the sum of 3/4 and 1/2 by the product of 2 and 1 1/4.
Morningside Sims,
2 1/2.
Incorrect. Time, 1/2. 13, toss-up. What country occupies most of the southern part of South America?
New Highland Brackett,
Brazil.
Incorrect.
Morningside Sims,
Argentina.
Correct. 14, bonus. What is a synonym for a snowslide?
I designate Madden.
Avalanche.
Correct. 15, toss-up. What term refers to the steady recurring pulse in a piece of music, a unit of time?
New Highland Malhotra,
A time signature.
Incorrect.
Morningside Bennett,
A beat.
Correct. 16, bonus. What name is shared by a display of options on a computer screen or a list of dishes served at a restaurant?
I designate Keaton. Menu.
Correct. 17, toss-up. Perform these operations. 14.29, take away 6.305, take away 3.47265. Time, 4.51235. 18, toss-up. Name the largest continent of the Eastern Hemisphere.
New Highland Malhotra,
Asia.
Correct. 19, bonus. The Great Lakes and thousands of other lakes in their vicinity were carved out of the bedrock by what?
Paul Bunyan.
Incorrect. Captain?
A meteor.
Incorrect. Glaciers. 20, toss-up. What Jewish holiday lasts for 8 days and
Morningside Sims,
Hanukkah.
correct. 21, bonus. What 3 words come next in this chant? One bright day in the middle of the night, 2 dead boys got up to fight. Back to back they faced each other, drew their swords, and...
I designate Keaton.
Hesitation. Captain?
Fought one another.
Incorrect. Shot each other. 22, toss-up. Express 12 1/3 as an improper fraction.
Morningside Bennett,
13 thirds.
Incorrect. Time, 37 thirds. 23, toss-up. Pierre is the capital of what state?
New Highland, bracket.
South Dakota.
Correct. 24, bonus. What is the name for any major blood vessel that carries blood from the heart to other parts of the body?
A vein.
Incorrect, Captain?
I designate Madden.
Artery.
Correct. 25, toss-up. What is the term for a piece of unaccompanied vocal music called?
New Highland, Malhotra.
A solo.
Incorrect.
Morningside, Morton.
Symphony.
Incorrect. A cappella. 26, toss-up. What preposition is missing in these examples? She held her breath blank 5 minutes. I have lived under the bridge blank 3 months. The
New Highland, bracket.
4.
correct. 27, bonus. Express 32 ten-thousandths as a decimal number. Time, Captain?
0 and 32 thousandths.
Incorrect.
It goes back to Morningside. The bounce back goes to Morningside. If they didn't answer.
So,
Morningside captain, do you have an answer?
No answer.
okay, .0032. 28, toss-up. Name the sum of money imposed as a penalty for offenses such as overparking or...
New Highland, bracket.
A fine.
Correct. 29, bonus. Between sunset and dusk is what period?
Noon.
Incorrect, Captain.
Day.
Incorrect, twilight. 30, toss-up. Who painted the Mona Lisa?
Morningside, Bennett.
Leonardo da Vinci.
Correct. That is the 30th question. That's the end of the first half, and the score is Morningside 12, New Highland 4. Welcome back to the second half of Whiz Kids between Morningside and New Highland Elementaries. During the half, the following substitutions were made. Joining the team from Morningside are Adeline Thorne and Jackson Strickland. Let's hear about these two.
Jackson Strickland is a 4th grader who enjoys playing soccer and reading. He wants to be a paleontologist one day. Adeline Thorne enjoys reading and drawing. She is a 4th grader who wants to be a teacher.
Thank you. And from New Highland Elementary is Jonathan Anicetti. And let's hear about Jonathan.
5th grader at New Highland Elementary School. His favorite subjects are reading and math. He loves to play basketball and football. His parents are both retired from the Army.
Thank you. Teams, let's begin the second half of today's competition with a toss-up question. According to the rhyme, what is made of frogs and snails and puppy dogs' tails?
Morningside, Bennett.
Tigers.
Incorrect.
New Highland, Malhotra.
A witch's brew.
Incorrect. Little boys. 2, toss-up. Divide 5/21 by 3/7. Time, 5/9. 3, toss-up. The northern coast of which continent is adjacent to the Caribbean Sea?
New Highland, bracket.
North America.
Incorrect.
Morningside, Bennett.
Europe.
Incorrect. South America. 4, toss-up. The Arctic tern breeds above the Arctic Circle and then finally flies and then annually flies to Antarctic regions. What is the name for such a journey?
Morningside, Bennett.
Migration.
Correct. 5, bonus. Defined as the art of fine handwriting, it originated in China. Identify this term beginning with a C.
Cursive.
Incorrect, Captain?
Calligraphy.
Correct. 6, toss-up. This line, taken from a nursery rhyme, refers to what type of insect? Your house is on fire.
Morningside Bennett.
Fire ant.
Incorrect.
New Highland Malhotra.
Ants.
Incorrect. Ladybug. 7, toss-up. A submarine cruising at 100 meters below the surface rose 45 meters to fire a test rocket which reached a maximum altitude of 300 meters above sea level. The rocket climbed how many meters from the submarine?
New Highland Malesko.
345.
Say
Three-
it louder, please.
345.
Incorrect.
Incorrect.
Morningside Strickland.
365.
Incorrect. 355. 8, toss-up. All of America's major space missions are launched from what site in Florida?
Morningside Bennett.
NASA.
Incorrect.
New Highland Brackett.
Kennedy Space Center.
Correct. 9, bonus. If you were in a space station hundreds of miles above the Earth's north pole, the planet would be rotating in which clock direction?
Clockwise.
Incorrect, Captain.
Counterclockwise.
Correct. 10, toss-up. What type of art involves tricking the mind with geometric shapes?
New Highland Malesko.
3D.
Incorrect.
Morningside Sims.
Abstract.
Incorrect. Op art. 11, toss-up. What story by Hans Christian Andersen concerns a swan born into a duck family?
Morningside Bennett.
The ugly duckling.
Correct. 12, bonus. Sal went into a store and asked for 2.5 pounds of hummingbird tongues, or how many ounces? Time, Captain?
40.
Correct. 13, toss-up. How many times larger is Asia than Europe if Europe includes 10 million square miles and Asia includes 44 million square miles?
New Highland Malesko.
4.
Incorrect.
Morningside Sims.
44.
Incorrect. 4.4. 14, toss-up. What are you doing when you carefully change one variable and directly observe its effect on another variable?
New Highland Malhotra.
Watching.
Incorrect.
Morningside Bennett.
Looking.
Incorrect. And experiment. 15, toss-up. What is the name for the Afro-Brazilian dance that is faster and jazzier than the tango?
Morningside Strickland.
Samba.
Correct. 16, bonus. What type of fiction involves these subjects? Telepathy, time travel, robots, space travel.
I designate Keaton.
Sci-fi.
Correct. 17, toss-up. If an ore contains 22 pounds of silver per ton, how many pounds of waste are there per ton?
Morningside Strickland.
18.
Incorrect.
New Highland Brackett.
11 pounds.
Incorrect. 1,978. 18, toss-up. A female monarch is called a what?
New Highland Malesko.
Butterfly.
Incorrect. Time. Queen. 19. Toss-up. A predatory insect with raised forelegs bent as if kneeling is a praying what?
Morningside Bennett.
Praying mantis.
Correct. 20. Bonus. What is the rather slow and charming old French dance in triple meter that probably originated as a country dance?
Square dancing.
Incorrect, Captain.
No answer.
Minuet. 21. Toss-up. What is the antonym of synonym?
New Highland Bracket.
The same.
Incorrect.
Morningside Sims.
Antonym.
Correct. 22. Bonus. Divide .864 by 2,000. Time, Captain.
No answer.
0.0000144.
Incorrect. .000432. 23. Toss-up. Medieval peoples built what structures, often on top of hills?
Morningside Sims.
Castles.
Correct. 24. Bonus. What is the name for any year in which an extra day is added?
Leap year.
Correct. 25. Toss-up. In music, what is a series of pitches that make sense called?
New Highland Bracket.
A measure.
Incorrect.
Morningside Sims.
Symphony.
Incorrect. Phrase. 26. Toss-up. What is the next word in this couplet by Ogden Nash? The pig, if I am not mistaken, supplies us sausage, ham, and?
Morningside Thorn.
Bacon.
Correct. 27. Bonus. Subtract 2/3 from 7/8. Time, Captain. 5/24. 28. Toss-up. This is a misheard version of part of what solemn promise? One naked individual with liver, tea, injustice for all.
Morningside Bennett.
The Pledge of Allegiance.
Correct. 29. Bonus. What would you stop doing if you underwent a respiratory arrest?
I designate Adeline.
Breathing.
Correct. 30. Toss-up. What musical is about a nanny watching the Von Trapp Okay, that is the time and that is the end of the match. And the score is Morningside 24, New Highland 7. Congratulations to the championship team and to both teams for an excellent competition. Join us for our next Whiz Kids competition.